still nearing completion. They're just final touches. But we're here doing the final inspection for the owner. But I'll take you through this gorgeous 4-bedroom home. It's brand new. Just ignore all the blue tape. The blue tape is highlighting things that the builder's still needing to fix. Here we've got the first bedroom, which is facing onto the street. It's quite a big sized bedroom, and as you walk through, we've got here a great walk-in robe, which I'm quite jealous of. I wish I had this at my place. And then an ensuite as well. Hi. Great ensuite. Beautiful big shower over here. It's really nice to be in a brand new house. It still smells very fresh. No one's lived here before. Beautiful lush carpet. Freshly painted walls. Through to the main corridor here. There's just a bit of a storage cupboard in here for linen or anything else you'd like. And as we walk through over here, this door here leads you onto the garage, the big double car garage with plenty of room for storage as well. And just here to the left is the laundry. Plenty of room again to put your washer and dryer with a door to take you outside, and more cupboard space here for cleaning products, vacuums, anything else. I'm going to walk through to the second bedroom over here. Plenty of light. It's quite a cloudy day here in Melbourne, as you can see, but plenty of light coming in. All the rooms have blinds already installed. Big double wardrobe here. Plenty of space again, as you can see. Now this house also has ducted heating and split system cooling throughout, which is fantastic. Here's our kitchen. As we can see, there's a pantry space over here, big enough to put all your pantry goods. We will be having the appliances installed very shortly. At the moment there's just space for them, but as you can see, plenty of room for storage. Stone bench tops, room for a fridge as well. And as we turn around, we can see here a big living area and dining area, which is quite large. I'm going to step back so that you can see how big it is. But you can see from here, the kitchen, there's plenty of room to put a dining table, as well as a lounge, some sofas. Over here we've got the toilet, separate toilet, and the main bathroom, again with that lovely shower head, a bath, bedroom number 2, sorry, no, this is bedroom 3. Again, quite a nice light-filled space. Same double wardrobe here. And the last room has our friends here, but say hi.
Hi.
This is it. This is the last bedroom over here.
Or theatre room.
So this room's a bit bigger, which allows space to put a wardrobe, or if you want to use it as a multi-purpose room, a study, a theatre room, a playroom for the kids. It's quite large and spacious. So that takes care of the inside. Lots of space. I can tell you now, it's very well insulated. It's very windy out there. You wouldn't know it though, as we come out. There's still a bit of plant and foliage they're going to be putting in here, but as you can see, really low maintenance area here for you. It's all secure. This is from the garage and laundry as well. And if I come back around here, lots of space here to place an outdoor setting and a Barbie. And over here, that leads you to the front as well. Well, that's it. Just to recap, this house is coming on the market very shortly. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 spaces in the garage, and it's in the newest part of Mickleham, Brossard Street. If you're interested, please give us a call and arrange to come and inspect. We'd love to see you here. Thanks. See you soon.